If you want to take a macro photo on Samsung Galaxy A57, then once you open the camera, you want to go to the More section, and then in here we can find the macro mode. So we have a dedicated macro mode. As you can see, we have the instruction that we can hold our camera 3 to 5 centimeters away from the subject, and we should be able to capture a pretty decent macro photo. Of course, we can try to keep it even closer, but if you keep it too close, then you might see that the subject is not sharp under the picture. So there we go, we can do something like this. And that is pretty much it. Of course, in addition to that, instead of using the dedicated macro mode, you can use the standard photo mode instead, and you can use a little bit of zoom. There we go, and this works as well. So you can just stop it, there we go. So we need to keep the distance between the subject and the camera, and then you can use the zoom in order to make a decent macro photo. As you can see, it's even better because we can keep it even closer to the subject. However, as you can see, sometimes the preview gets really blurry. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.